Well, hello, my little rays of sunshine. How are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and today you find me in the kitchen. And I have a very special assistant to help me with my kitchen project. This is my son, Joshua. And Joshua is going to let you know what we're going to make here today for Valentine's Day. What are we going to bake today, Josh?
Sugar cookies.
We're going to make some sugar cookies. I think it'll be a lot of fun. And Josh, do you want to show them some of the cookie cutters that we're going to use?
Yep.
Okay. That's a nice one. So we have various sizes that Joshua can pick from. What do you think of that size, Josh?
Yeah, I like it.
We picked those cookie cutters up at Dollarama. This one here was given to me though. That's a nice one, eh, Josh?
Yep.
And I also have this Valentine's Day, it's in heart shape, this cake pan, because I've been extra busy, very Valentine busy this morning. And I'll show you what I've been up to. Da, 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 da. I made a cake this morning. And I'd like to show you how my cake turned out just a little bit later, if that's okay. I'm happy with how it turned out, so I'll show you in just a little bit. But right now, how about I give you a nice close-up of the ingredients for the sugar cookies. Sugar cookies. You will need 3/4 a cup of butter, but today Joshua and I are going to use margarine instead of butter. 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 2 cups of flour, pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Joshua and I have all of the ingredients measured out on this countertop. And to start this recipe, the first thing that we're going to do is put the butter and the white sugar in this bowl, then mix it really well, and then add the egg. Our next step is to add the dry ingredients to this bowl one at a time, and Joshua's going to tell you what dry ingredients to put in.
Flour, baking soda, salt, cream of tartar.
So that's our next step. We're going to put all of those things in accordance to their measurements, get them put in the bowl.
The last ingredient is to put in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
This is what the cookie batter looks like. And I think I might need to add just a tiny little bit more flour so that we can work with this and roll it out with the rolling pin without it sticking too much. So my hands are all washed. There's still a little bit of pink marks from the food coloring, but I'll keep washing my hands throughout the day till that comes off. And what I did just now is I turned the oven on to 375 degrees, and there's some parchment paper here on this cookie sheet. So Joshua is going to take over, and he's going to use the cookie cutters in the heart shapes, and he'll get them put on the cookie sheets there. So this has been a really fun day. I'm glad you're with us. Let's continue on. All the Valentine cookies are baked, and right now they're just cooling down a little bit. And while the cookies cool down, I thought that I'd show you my cute little Valentine cake. Now, I'm not an expert baker, but I do what I can to have fun. And this definitely looks very festive for Valentine's Day. The cookies are nice and cool now, and I think Joshua would like to do a taste test. There you go, Josh. Let us all know what he thinks.
It's good.
Is it good?
Yep.
Maybe I'll try one too. This is a nice size one here.
Yeah. Well, my friends, thank you for joining us here today. If you like this vlog, please give us the YouTube thumbs up or press the subscribe button.
That would be great. And we have more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned and we'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon, my friends, and happy Valentine's Day from Joshua and I. Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Bye.